Welcome to a new video. I want to talk about the permanent residency application right now. I was just asked by some of my clients. They want to be informed, they want to know what they need to have to bring in order to be able to get the permanent residency. So I did already one with one of my first clients that received it was the time already to do it, and because I have now the full information, I want to give it to you. Now, before I start to do this, I invite you to subscribe to this channel if you did not do it yet. So I am on the river Paraguay right now, what you see behind me, in Asuncion, working with clients, and now I am coming for 2, 3 or 4 days to work because I have more work here in Asuncion, and in the morning I can do videos. So let's start to give this information for free. So first of all, when you apply for the temporary residency, the immigration official asks about your profession, and I will explain why. Because later, when you apply for the permanent residency, if you have a degree, you need to tell them this profession. Like if you are a lawyer or a doctor or whatever, you will have a university degree. So this is very important to present when you apply for the permanent residency, because this is the only condition under the new law to show them that you can sustain yourself. So for those that do not have a degree, they need to get a tax ID, and I do this service too, so I already got some tax IDs for clients that asked me to do it. And when you have the tax ID, then you can present a tax certificate. With this one, you show that you do not have any debts on taxes to the government in Paraguay. So this would be the two options what you have in order to apply for the permanent residency. They also require 4 different criminal records certificates from Paraguay. For the temporary residency, we present just 2, the Interpol certificate and the one from the National Police. But when you apply for the permanent residency, there are 2 more required. So I had to present these 2 so I know where they are and how to get them. So this is basically the most important information you need. So if you have a degree, you need to get the apostille to it. Without the apostille, it's not accepted. And if you don't have a degree, you need to get a tax ID here in Paraguay at least a couple of months before you need to come to apply. So let's explain a little bit what's the condition so that you can apply. The condition is, I tell it to all my clients. I have other people that were not informed that contacted me, and they got their temporary residency with, I don't know who helped them, or maybe by themselves, I don't know, but they didn't know about this rule. So the only condition they have is that you do not miss 1 year outside of Paraguay. So most of the applicants will come here, apply, and go back to their countries. Then they want to come back to apply for the permanent residency 2 years later. So if they do not come in less than a year back to make an entry, then they cannot apply for the permanent residency. They will be able to apply again for the temporary residency. They get a second chance. And then if they comply with the condition, then the other time they will apply for the permanent residency. So this is very important to know also. I inform my clients directly, so when they apply, I tell them to not stay outside of Paraguay for 1 year or longer. And if you complied with, if you did, I mean, if you were here in less than a year, then the time frame to apply is only 3 months before it expires. If you come after it expires, you cannot also apply for the permanent residency. And pretty much this is it. So if you have questions, you can write them in the comments, or you can contact me. I always leave my WhatsApp, Telegram and Signal number. Now is the same one, the Paraguay number, in the description of the video and in the first comment. So you can contact me. The fastest way to get an answer is to use one of these 3 apps. WhatsApp is number 1, Telegram number 2. And per email, I am behind. I already told in some videos that I do not answer right away. I get a lot of emails that are not desired, not regarding Paraguay. So with the emails, I am a little behind, but I answer there too. Just it could take a week or 4 or 5 days, I don't know, approximately. So if you wish to get a fast answer, just contact me per WhatsApp, Telegram or Signal. And there I answer most of the times or on the same day. So thanks for watching the video. Thanks for subscribing to this channel. I wish everyone a better life.